Hey cookies, today I'm going to show you how I make barbecue pulled chicken in a pressure cooker. Let's cook. We're going to start by adding some barbecue sauce to a bowl. I use Honey Barbecue, use your favorite brand. Into it I'm going to add in some minced garlic and some brown sugar. Now if you like the way your barbecue sauce tastes, you don't need to alter it. I always like to add a little hey to my bottled sauce. And make sure you whisk it really well. Okay cookies, I need you to trust me and not skip this part. Add in some Coca-Cola. Yes, Coca-Cola. Just trust me. I always add a little bit of Coke to my barbecue sauce. It just kicks up the flavor, and it's also going to help because we're using a pressure cooker and we need a certain amount of liquid in there so that it cooks properly. Speaking of our pressure cooker, we're going to add in some chicken breasts. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I have seasoned them very well with some onion and garlic powder. You guys know how I feel about naked chicken. This is completely optional, but I want to give the chicken a little bit of that real barbecue taste, the flavor, so I'm going to add some splashes of liquid smoke. Now I'm going to add in some onions and bell peppers, just some slices of it. I love the flavor that it adds to chicken. Now I'm going to add in some chicken stock. You can use chicken broth as well. Lastly, we're going to pour in that barbecue sauce and then close and lock the lid. Here I'm selecting the poultry preset and then adjusting the time to the highest setting of 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, I'm going to do a quick release of the valve. We're going to remove the chicken and take it out to shred it. And guys, look how tender the chicken is after 25 minutes. After shredding the chicken, I'm adding it back into the pressure cooker and I have it set on the saute brown setting. And I allowed the chicken to simmer for about 5 more minutes in that sauce just until it started to thicken up a bit. And after that, it's time to serve. You can do whatever you like with your pulled chicken. I decided to serve it on some sweet slider buns. And cookies, I like it real messy, so I'm adding in a little bit more barbecue sauce. And now don't say ew, but I'm adding in some coleslaw. This is the only time I eat coleslaw, guys. It's so good on these. And cookies, this is how I make barbecue pulled chicken in the pressure cooker. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, be blessed.